This often overlooked product has generated over $200,000 in revenue and faces minimal competition. In today's video, I will demonstrate how you can embark on a similar business venture with the assistance of AI. From effortlessly generating ideas with a click of a button to designing a professional-looking final product, I will provide you with valuable insights to help you stand out and increase your profits. Grab a pen and paper, as this exclusive video has a plethora of very valuable information. Let's dive right into the topic. Printable flashcards for children's education. Flashcards are a delightful learning tool for kids, where they can match images with relevant words, covering various subjects like animals, shapes, numbers, colors, and more. By exploring the Etsy marketplace, you'll quickly notice the demand for printable flashcards, coupled with a scarcity of competition. As illustrated by the chart, the popularity of this product is currently on the rise, mirroring the trend observed at this time last year. This makes it an opportune moment to capitalize on this upward trend. Sellers on Etsy offer printable flashcards in a wide range of niches and styles. For instance, you'll find listings focused on farm animal flashcards, alphabet flashcards, shape-matching flashcards, and many more. The possibilities to monetize this business idea are virtually endless. Later in the video, I will share a method to effortlessly generate unique ideas with just a few clicks. Moreover, these flashcard listings consistently receive positive reviews, indicating a strong demand and customer satisfaction. Take, for example, a store that generates around $6,000 per month, accumulating over $200,000 in sales since its inception. Another store generates a monthly revenue of $2,000, with total sales exceeding $70,000. The best part is the limited competition, making it easier for you to make sales, especially when utilizing the marketing trick I will reveal later in the video. Now let's walk through the process of creating your own flashcard product, starting with brainstorming ideas for your unique set of flashcards. There are two approaches you can take, and my personal favorite is the second one. The first method involves manually checking your competitors' listings on Etsy. Analyze factors such as the number of cards included, the style utilized, the images, product descriptions, titles, and more. Additionally, delve into the reviews, gaining insights into what customers like and dislike. This knowledge will help you create an even better product, differentiating yourself from the competition. The second method, which I prefer, involves automating the process using ChatGPT. For example, you can ask the chatbot to provide you with 10 flashcard ideas in the animal niche. As you can see, it generates a range of cool ideas, each accompanied by a description. This allows you to create flashcards centered around animal names, animal sounds, baby animals, and more. Furthermore, you can use ChatGPT to generate niche ideas if you're unsure about what to create. The baby animals idea, for instance, looks promising based on the success of similar listings on Etsy. To proceed, simply copy the idea you like and paste it into the chat. The chatbot will provide you with 10 flashcard ideas based on your input. Once you have a product idea, the next step is transforming it into a finished product, starting with creating the main component of the flashcards, the illustrations. When it comes to AI-powered image generation, I believe Midjourney offers the best customization options and image quality. It is also cost-effective, and with the 10 plan, you obtain full commercial rights to use the generated images. To make things more interesting, I will compare Midjourney with some free alternatives later on. However, before that, we need to write a prompt, a simple line of text used to generate AI images. To illustrate, based on our ChatGPT answer, the prompt for the first illustration would be a dog with a puppy in Disney cartoon style against a white background. The prompt encompasses the subject, dog with a puppy, the style, Disney cartoon, and customization preferences, white background. The resulting image, generated using Midjourney, looks highly professional. I will also test free alternatives against Midjourney to provide a comprehensive comparison. Once you have completed all the illustrations, the next step is designing the flashcards on Canva, which offers a free flashcard maker tool. By searching for Canva Flashcard Maker on Google, you can access this feature. Canva provides various editable flashcard templates to choose from. Start by uploading the illustrations you created using Midjourney. Select a template that suits your niche or preferences. Replace the existing illustration and word label with your own content. If necessary, remove the background, adjust the size, and ensure the illustration fits the card. Repeat this process for all the illustrations. Remember to create 2 additional versions, one with only illustrations and another with word labels. Once completed, save the templates as a PDF, ready for printing. Congratulations! You have successfully created your own printable flashcards. Now, as promised, let me share a marketing trick that will help you stand out and boost your earnings. If we observe our competitors, you'll notice they typically offer bundles of flashcards with no additional value. However, to differentiate yourself on Etsy, I recommend offering something extra for free. In this case, providing coloring pages in the same niche as the flashcards proves to be an excellent option. To generate these coloring pages, you can use Midjourney or alternative tools with the provided prompt. When customers see that you offer high-quality flashcards along with free coloring pages, it becomes an irresistible package. Everyone loves free stuff, and this well-known marketing technique will help attract customers to your product. Now all that's left is to continue creating different designs and list them on Etsy, hoping to see positive results. I hope you found today's video helpful. If so, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments. Thank you for your support, and I appreciate your dedication to learning. See you next time.